Okay, that's enough.
Paul? Paul?
Paul?
It's Bob Wilson.
Yeah.
You've won the Nobel Prize. And so they're trying to reach you, but they cannot. They don't seem to have a number for you.
We gave them your cell phone number.
Yeah, I have. Wow. That's
Okay.
right. Yeah. Okay.
Will you answer your phone?
Yes.
Yeah, you need to let them be able to call you.
I was asleep and the doorbell rang at 2 a.m. So, and then, picked up my phone. It's a video doorbell. And I saw Bob's face, and he was knocking at the door and telling me that they were trying to call me and that we had won the Nobel Prize in economics, which was, pretty good news and a pretty surprising way to learn about it.